It is fall in the Pacific Northwest. Everything seems to be in a hurry to get somewhere before the first leaf falls from the trees. Chinook salmon have an extraordinary sense of urgency. They return from the ocean to the water and gravel from which they emerged. This is their spawning season. The battle-scarred males fight for a chance to spawn with a female and sow their seeds in the gravel nest, which is called a redd. Besides fighting competitors, they are fighting time. They have a short period of time before they die. Female salmon will excavate the nest and cover the eggs with gravel after they are fertilized by one or more males. The salmon will leave it all here, including their metered lives and ravaged carcasses, to fuel the food web for their offspring in these nutrient-poor waters. The adult salmon's death means life for their next generation, which they will never know.